All right, Jason here from newtonswave.com, and today we're looking at Sushi, SUSHISwap, Sushi USDT. I'm on the 4-day time frame on TradingView on Binance. So look, where's Sushi been? Where is it now? Where's it going? Well, some really good news for you Sushi traders. Sushi is about to do an incredible rise of 548%. So let's put that in context. If you put $1,000 on there, you'll make 5.5. If you put 10 grand on there, you'll make 50. And if you put 100 grand on there, you make $500,000. So this is a serious trade and crypto coin right now. Okay, so let's have a look, right, where Sushi's been, where it is now, and where it's going. I've given you the price rise in percentage gains, but where is your entry point? How do you actually work out when to come in? Well, I use something called Newton's wave. Basically, in a nutshell, the candlestick price pattern is a shadow. Scientists discovered that the source of that shadow and the source of price movement is something called Newton's wave. It's an electromagnetic sine wave. And if you're trying to just analyze and trade the candlestick pattern, it's almost like trying to tell the time on a clock that hasn't got a clock face. If it's got no hands or numbers, you can't tell the time. And that's what it is like. That's why it's so hard trading the shadow, right? The candlestick price shadow. If you trade Newton's wave, it's like having the clock face on the clock. The peaks on Newton's wave are the minute hands. So that's why you can now enter and exit your trades without any losses and just keep your gains, right? So on Newton's wave here, we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 peaks. It's coming down peak 9 at the moment, then it's going to do peak 10, then it's going to come down peak 10, and that is where you would enter the trade. So whatever the price is at the bottom of the peak of Newton's wave, that's where you would come in. At the moment the price is on 741, not 741, sorry. At the moment the price is at 120. This is going to 741, right? So personally, I would exit the trade around about the $7 mark, but I'd also keep an eye on it because these do have a habit of going slightly higher. So what I mean by that is, as you know, you normally get your bounces on 1, on 5, on 10, on 15, on 20, etc. And so to me, there's a good probability this would hit 10. If it did, that would be, what would that be? About 800-900% rise, so even more. But the point is, look, it's going up soon. And if you're looking to trade this baby, then you're going to make some serious money. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I love trading. I love helping people trade. I love helping people make money. So I wish you the best of success with your trading. You take care, and I'll speak to you soon.